To modify a Dropbox assignment with differentiated release conditions, the first thing you want to do is click on the down arrow that is to the right of the Assessment button on the navigation bar and select Dropbox. Then you will click on the down arrow to the right of whichever Dropbox you want to modify and select Edit Folder. Click on the down arrow next to Availability Dates and Conditions, and then click on the Manage Special Access hyperlink. Make sure that Allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for this folder is selected. Then click on Add Users to Special Access. Change the due date and the end date to at least 1 week later than the original dates. This will depend on any special instructions that the student is given as far as how much extra time they have to complete and turn in an assignment. Click Save. Click on the box to the left of the student's name that you would like to have this special access, and then click Save. You should now see the student's name and their modified due date and availability end date on your screen under Manage Special Access. Click Save and Close.